In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a street angle sensor adjustment on a 2015 Nissan Sentra using the X-431 torque. First select Nissan. To confirm the software, select OK. Select the vehicle with 16-pin. Confirm van and select OK. Select automatic selection. Confirm vehicle and select OK. Select system selection. System info, select OK. Select special function. Select street angle sensor adjustment. System info asterisk, please read instructions and follow asterisk, select OK. Select start. Once completed, select OK. And that's how to perform a street angle sensor adjustment on a 2015 Nissan Sentra.